Okay, so I ordered the new KB All In One 5/8 gauge loom on Saturday, I believe it was, and it just showed up today. So I'm really excited about this. Or maybe I ordered it Monday. I don't know, but it got here super quick. So I'm getting ready to unwrap it. It just came in a regular box, not in an all-in-one box, but I think that's because they said it's a limited edition. So I thought I would just unwrap it here for you all. So bear with me. I'm only using one hand because I'm holding my camera with the other. I'm really excited about this. I have a lot of ideas of what I want to do. And, oh, the pegs are just like the 3/8 gauge, but they're just spaced at a 5/8. So it was either this or the 5/16. And the 5/16, it's literally like a hair smaller. And when I say a hair, like so similar to the 3/8. I'm going to show you guys real quick. Hold on, let me bring it up. All right, so here's the chart. So here's a 3/8, which is what the standard all-in-one is, and there's the 5/16. So it's literally a hair smaller. That's why I chose not to go with the 3/8, but I did go with the 5/8. So regular is 3/8. This new one is 5/8. And as you can see, it has the extended pieces here. It's got the small here to do double looming and everything like that. So there you go. And these are available for a limited edition from what I understand, but I'm really excited that they came out with this. I was actually just talking to Becca about this maybe 2 weeks ago. And I said, if they came out with something like this, that would be great. And I guess somebody heard my thoughts, which could be dangerous. So hopefully nobody else is listening in. So there you go. If you have the opportunity to get it, I would if I were you, because it is a limited edition. So there you go. There's the new all-in-one 5/8 gauge. Take care, everybody. Happy looming, and be on the lookout because you know I'm going to create something awesome specifically for this loom. Bye, everybody.